Have you ever wondered what to do with frozen blueberries? Use frozen berries in muffins with this easy banana blueberry muffins recipe using frozen blueberries. You can pick this recipe up at sipbitego, and today I'm going to take you in the kitchen and I'm going to teach you start to finish how to make these delicious banana bread style muffins at home. Join me! To make these muffins, what you're going to do is you're going to prep for baking banana blueberry muffins by preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a non-stick dozen muffin tin with cupcake liners, or you could just spray the pan with cooking spray or brush it with a little melted butter. Mix together wet ingredients by combining them in a large bowl. You want to mash 3 very ripe bananas with the back of a fork, then add butter, almond extract, and the whisked eggs. Mix together loosely. Mix together dry ingredients in a separate bowl. You want to mix together the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and spices. And add dry ingredients to wet ingredients and combine with a fork until it's all combined and no dry ingredients are left. Next, you want to add frozen blueberries and raspberries to the muffins. You can gently fold them in so they're incorporated, but you don't want to mix them too much or else the entire muffin batter will turn blue and purple. Next, bake the banana blueberry muffins for about 30 to 40 minutes at 325 degrees, and when the muffin tops are completely golden brown and the inside comes out clean with a toothpick, they are done. You rest them a few minutes on a cooling rack before serving. The berries will be very hot and the muffins are so delicious though. You'll really enjoy this recipe. I can't wait to show you how to make this ravioli pizza on flatbread with Alfredo sauce. It's so delicious, and really it uses a lot of ingredients you probably have either in your pantry or your refrigerator right now. And freezer if you have a little secret stash of pasta in your freezer like I do. And one of the best parts is I'm not even using real pizza dough. I'm using actually flatbread naan for this recipe, which makes it really easy to throw together on a weeknight. So I can't wait to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make this on sipbitego. I have so many delicious pizza recipes. Can't wait to share them all with you. Make sure to subscribe to sipbitego today on YouTube, or go ahead and head over to sipbitego.com to print out the recipes that are already up. I do have a ton of new ones coming in the couple of months ahead for you, including grilled pizzas and other really creative pizza ideas that your family will love. Subscribe today. Well, I hope you know exactly what to do with frozen blueberries and how to add frozen blueberries to banana muffins. These are one of my favorite muffins to have around, and they make really great use of leftover bananas. So until next time, don't forget to check out another recipe video at sipbitego, and I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!